The first St. Louis County police officers are now wearing body cameras earlier than expected, but it's still 5 years after the shooting death of Michael Brown in Ferguson. Our Abby Larico is here now with the details on this new rollout. And Abby, you're saying they're actually going to have those body cameras just in time for this weekend's events.
Right, at least some of them will. That hasn't gone unnoticed, and that's the point. But the cameras themselves are actually kind of hard to see. They're more discreet than the ones you might typically think of. They go inside the officer's uniform and stick out kind of like a peephole. An officer can turn it on with a tap on their watch, or they come on automatically when the officer's running or when a weapon is drawn. The cameras also send out an alert if the officer's down for more than 15 seconds. The department's orders 700 of these, plus 350 car systems. The first will be active with the Special Response Unit at this weekend's events in Ferguson, commemorating 5 years since the death of Michael Brown. Now, the Chosen for Change Foundation, which is Michael Brown's seniors group, tell us they're relieved to see this program finally pick up. An increase in officer accountability, they say, will help with the continued healing process.
Even if one person makes a bad decision, that doesn't ruin it for all the police. We're not against police. We are the police that protect and serve, but people that take actions that are unlawful, that are hurtful to the community or anyone, we're not for that no matter what your title is. Mike Brown equals change. That's the definition. And that change is here in Ferguson and can be seen around the world.
And she told us Michael Brown's father also keeps in contact with police, working with them actually, before any community event like the ones this weekend, for example. And that's one way things are very different since this time about 5 years ago. But since the unrest in Ferguson, other departments around the country, as she mentioned, have started using body cameras. The county where it happened, though, is now catching up. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Abby.